If Slack is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. Whether Slack is frozen, not loading, messages are stuck, or the app just won't respond properly, these steps will help you troubleshoot it fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and refresh the page. If you're using Slack in your browser, a simple refresh can often clear a temporary loading issue and get things working again. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is stable and strong enough for Slack to load properly. If your internet seems slow or unstable, that could be the reason Slack is not working. After that, try switching your network. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a hotspot, or if you're using a hotspot, try Wi-Fi instead. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with your current network rather than Slack itself. Sometimes the app won't connect properly because of a network problem, and changing your connection can fix it right away. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack's connection and cause loading problems, login issues, or messages failing to send. If you have one enabled, turn it off completely and then try Slack again. If Slack still isn't working, the next fix is to clear your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Clearing cached files can remove corrupted data that may be preventing Slack from loading correctly. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and open Slack again to see if the issue is resolved. In many cases, one of these steps will get Slack back to normal quickly. The important thing is to work through them one at a time so you can identify what's causing the issue. Refresh the page first, test your internet speed, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and then clear your browser cache. These are the most common fixes when Slack is not working. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.